Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to delete all data on iPhone before selling. And for that you must perform a factory reset. You must perform a factory reset using the erase all content and setting feature. And first of all you need to back up your device using First of all you need to back up your device. For that, go to your settings and then tap on your name, and then go on your iCloud. And tap on this iCloud backup and back up everything in your iCloud. And then you need to unpair accessories and then turn off Find My and sign out. For that, again go to your settings and scroll down till you see sign out. And now you need to turn off and Find My and sign out. Tap on your name again and scroll down and tap on this red button that is sign out, and you will sign out. And after signing out your Gmail and after signing out your iCloud and after signing out your Apple account, go back. And then what you need to do is go on general, then go to and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then you need to tap on erase all content and settings. That way you will delete all data on iPhone before set. That way you can delete all your data on iPhone before selling. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.